sir. Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, we back in with another one. Audio setup. What year is this jump? 07? 07 Ford Focus. You know what I'm saying? About to get my sister right. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all what she working with. All right. Skar audio. You know what I'm saying? Got the Hyphonic Zeus. This what I had in my Focus right here when I was breaking shit. But soon to come, this gonna be upgraded too. We just getting ready for right now. You know what I'm saying? Got the Skar, you know what I'm saying, fuses and RCAs, hardware, all the hardware. You see, got 212s, D4. I'm about to get right, you know what I'm saying? A little heavy, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. So right now, shit, I left the dynamite at the crib.
Is that goddamn what's name?
But
I said we outside and you gonna take me where you at.
as you can see,
Like when I sent that shit,
we gonna probably dynamite all this right here, get up here.
when I sent it, is when you're
And definitely gotta get all right here. And the license plate, we gonna put dynamite behind that. Dynamite too. So just like my Focus, everything will stay sturdy. And we'll be straight with that. Decent sized trunk. You know. Yeah, we gonna get it right. We gonna get it right. Got the tents on there. Gotta fix that.
Find us some little 20s.
Yup. Put some 20s on here or some 18s.
Should
be out.
Some 19.
Yeah, we do that.
She can have a tie.
Yeah.
Find us some little 19.
Put a little bit of 19s on that jump. We be straight. Damn, God, boy, look at that cinematic, boy. Look, blurry ass. Ain't focus on your ass. There you go.
Hey guys.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey guys,
we back at it again. Back to the old days. You know what I'm saying?
Apartment work.
Yes, sir.
Outside.
That's what we do. Could have went in the garage, but motherfuckers want to do that bitch outside. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Got the dreads. Y'all ain't seen your boy in a minute, but yeah, your boy got the dreads, barrel roll. I'm about to take them out today. See them things swing. They probably about right here now. It's been a year. You know what I'm saying? But all of that, all is well as ends well. We about to get right to it. This is where we putting the ground at.
Try cross the border.
Put the girl right there up under the seat. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get her ass down. If you want to get the paint off so you have good connection, get one of these wide wheels. Get at your local Harbor Freight. And I don't want to hear no... Back to the scheduled program.
This nigga here. I don't want to hear no paint. Motherfucker, this is why I hate this pre-built shit.
Yeah, facts.
What a goddamn scissors. What a goddamn cheap ass box cutter you got?
Man, there you go with that bullshit.
Shit.
If I didn't make seat covers for my car, it wouldn't be hard.
No.
See them ass ass hands, y'all.
Fuck you, man.
See, you gotta put lotion on when you come to work.
Man, bitch, you just did that.
Literally.
You just did that. Let me stop. I'm gonna be watching this.
What there?
I think she just been watching it too.
Long,
Like the reels and stuff.
yeah.
No, she hit me one time. So y'all cussing up a storm, man.
Yep. Yeah.
Oops. Hold on, let me see where this bitch gonna say that.
You might have to.
Like curve.
I mean, yeah, nah, it's good where it's at because it got that little dip down there.
I knew if anybody was gonna have me, your black ass would.
Damn right, I just got them bitches too.
What?
When I tell you
Damn allergy pills. Oh. There we go. Motherfucker. Motherfucker, man. early Sunday morning.
That's what y'all thought I was gonna be up.
Huh?
That's when y'all thought I was gonna be up.
Damn, that bitch dropped.
Yeah. And it was at this moment he knew he fucked up. Motherfucker, man.
Is
That
it-
bitch gone.
That's going in the video. You know that, right? Yeah, right. I know it is. That's going up in there.
Fucking bullshit. Anyway, the ground didn't see back on.
Now all I need is a meme. I'm gonna get one.
Use cute face. Oh, he dropped that damn pizza.
Oh yeah. Oh, Frank sent me that joke too. I got that joke.
That's his screen. That's his screensaver, my.
There she go. There she go. Choke this motherfucker. Look at the motherfucker, boy. Y'all better step y'all game up, boy. My sister being harder than most of y'all niggas out there. You know what I'm saying? That's a damn shame. Can't tell y'all what the box tuned to though. So right now, we're in a process of trying to find a grommet to run this power wire. You know what I'm saying? Under
Bullshit here.
the hood, we gotta try to find a grommet somewhere. But we'll get her. We'll get her.
Fucking firewall.
We try to look over there. Try to look right there. He over there now looking.
I can't see shit.
I can't see shit out of this fucking thing.
Insert that. I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
Her cabin filter might be over there though.
It is right here.
Yeah. So yep, we found the grommet.
My crack out.
You know what I'm saying?
We ain't find one, nigga. We made one.
You know what I'm saying? Right down up in there. You can't see the motherfucker, but you know what I'm talking about.
Clean through that bitch.
Yep, it's a little plastic piece. We ain't actually drilled through the firewall, but it was a little plastic piece.
Why
He just what's his name? He drilled to. Good, you did. Oh, goddamn. Oh, goddamn. Oh, goddamn. It ripped off.
How you do that?
How you do that? You ripping the bitch.
Damn.
You got to stick that bitch or take a. Nah, I
Man,
want
get out
to
the
take
way.
a zip tie to that motherfucker.
I could. But it probably ain't gonna fit through.
Fit through, yeah. Cause your zip tie's got that big end on it. And always get you a pair of these.
A set of these, nigga.
Yeah, you know, embarrass me in front of millions of people. Even though I ain't got millions of subscribers, but you know how it is. You feel me? But yeah, that's how we doing it. Get that heat shrink on the ass, shrink it down, and pull it through.
Full send.
I'ma like pull that bitch slow. Ho ho ho. Alright. Ho 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 ho. Should be coming close. Can you see it? It ripped off? Huh? Yes, sir. I. And got on through there. Who the white girl? Who got that white baby there? I'm gonna put that in there. But yeah, he got the power wire and whatnot. Always keep a clothes hanger close by, cause just in case you gotta fish something through, it comes in handy. It really comes in handy. Look at her back there. We trying to get you right. Shoot. Got the nose piercing in, yep. You know what I'm saying? Got that cinematic camera, boy.
That the fuse.
No, my
Oh yeah, yeah. Cause all you gotta do is split the wire from right there. Yeah.
I know one thing that's a car
I think it's in the car.
man.
Alright. So we got the fuse junk in. Got that junk in. Got that hooked up, ran through. Now I'm about to go to the inside. Get the RCAs. Get the RCA junk. And then a remote wire, get that junk all up in there. Know what I'm saying? Get that junk up in there. Get this junk right. We almost done. Shit, all that going on back here. Motherfuckers going up in here. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
Top of the box.
Yeah, if you want to. So yeah, I done got the
What she got? 212?
the backup camera, the RCAs, and the remote wire plugged in. So all that's ready to go. I just need to put the radio back in and just run it, and then be right. See, in yellow is a backup camera. The two blues, you already know, are RCAs. Got to run through. Nah, I just gotta run it all the way to the back. She be back. She be beaten. Beaten. Shit, we'll know if something don't play. Shit. As you can see, I ain't put the face back on correct. Got that junk ran. Can't see nothing under there. That's to the vent. Y'all talking about the green wire. That's to the filter in there. Got it ran all down here. Through the back. Got it ran back through here. Clean. And got that joint up in there. Hopefully we'll get it tested out soon. You know, hand. Got her ass right. Got it back up. We put the backup camera on too.
Only reason it's like that because she ain't got no mat up here.
Oh yeah, for her to
What's up? So we gonna see what's up with this mat soon enough.
like a cover to go right here to cover this. Push this down. All that would be done.
Per usual.
So other than that, she finished. Well, we ran the bass knob too.
How's it going?
Good.
Huh?
Ran the bass knob right there. Got it all down through here, straight to the back. Clean. Don't see no wire nowhere at all. Up under there, you don't see nothing. Nothing. When y'all do a system, make sure y'all do that motherfucker clean. See? Got the power wire still right there. Everything is ran to the back clean. You don't see no wire. Oh yeah, forgot. Got all that. Professional. We're gonna clip these on the back of the box. Clean. Clean, 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 clean. Make it clean. You do a system, do it clean. Clean. I'm saying that's what we do. Okay. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do. Yeah. Clean. What? Open, close. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do. Easy. Easy. Got to screw it down. She ready to go now. She ready to beat. She ready to beat. You feel me? I'm gonna get to the next jump. Shit. All right now, y'all. Shit. We done for real, but we just trying to figure out why the amp ain't getting no remote power. So now we just redid the remote wire like 2 times to see why or what happened.
Let's see if we got it.
This nigga, he turned on the damn. Still nothing.
There gotta be a break somewhere.
Huh?
There gotta be a break somewhere.
Yeah.
There's no way in shit. No way. There gotta be a break in this wire.
Gotta be.
I tell you what.
Yes, sir. We back at it. So we figured out the problem. It won't connect it to the, I guess, the higher voltage wire, so it didn't power the amp. So now we got the amp powered up. Now since we got the amp powered up, now we ready to tune this junk, put the radio back in, then we finna get right with this junk. Otherwise, I'm gonna tell y'all how this junk be in a little bit.